Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Visual Studio includes the NET workload and matching SDK. This is critical for compilation. Once done, go to File, New, Project, and pick Console App with C#. Name it clearly, choose a folder, and create the solution. Visual Studio opens Program. CS for you. Make sure the selected target framework matches your SDK version, otherwise builds will fail. You'll now see a basic main method. This is where you'll place your program logic and entry code. You now write the code inside program. CS, add using directives, implement the main method and any helper classes. Keep methods small and testable. Next, manage dependencies via NuGet if you need libraries, and confirm project properties target the correct framework. Build the solution with Ctrl+Shift+B and inspect the error list for compiler messages. Fix typed errors, missing references, or namespace mismatches. Once the build succeeds, confirm the startup project is set correct. You can run the program with F5 to launch under the debugger, or Ctrl+F5 to execute without break mode. This shows console output immediately. Use breakpoints and step over or step into to watch values and control flow. When finished, publish the project to a folder or build a self-contained executable for distribution. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify the installed NET SDK matches the project target. Run .NET Info or check project properties to resolve framework mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.